Alright, Garrett, let's try and eat. Here's some rice cereal.
You're messy.
I think he's gonna need to practice a little bit, isn't he? You want some? Hey, you're reaching for it. Here you go.
He wants to do it all, but it sucks.
Here you go, Garrett. You want some more, buddy? Here. Wow, buddy. Okay.